candle.
What's going on, world? It's me, andrecatnott, here from West Palm Beach, Florida. So I'm here live on the Zoom call. Yesterday I was on the call, but I didn't actually record. But just to let you guys know, we had our second loss in the last 20 trades. So we took 20 trades, and out of those 20 trades, we only lost 2. All right. So yesterday was a losing day, but if you been trading for a couple of weeks or a week or 2 or for the whole 20 days, you're still up. Those 2 losses doesn't phase you or phase your account. But they're winning a lot more than they're losing. So today could be a losing day as well. We don't know, but I do know. I just know that they've been winning more than 20 days. So if we even take a loss today, they're still up because they won 20 trades. 20 trades in a row. Like, that's insane. So we're winning a lot more than we're losing. But whenever Mo gets on, or the coach gets on and tell us to take a buy or sell, we'll go ahead and take that. Like I said, it could be a losing day, it could be a winning day. We don't know. I don't know, but I know yesterday was a losing day. So let's see what happens today. Hopefully we win today. But guys, if you guys want to join me in 8-minute trader, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box below. Now I'm gonna be giving you guys a bonus. Okay, let me I'm going to give you guys a bonus for joining my team here in 8-minute trader. If you join me in 8-minute trader, I'm going to give you access to a automated trading bot. And I'm not only going to that, I'm going to also allow you to be able to copy my exact trades that I take from these live sessions hands-free. There's a software that can literally allow you guys to copy my trades that I take from these live sessions to your account hands-free. Because some of you guys may be at work and can't attend these live sessions. So I'm going to make it easy for you guys to get in on these trades that I take from these live sessions, okay? So those are my bonuses. Like I said, I'm going to make a video on all of my bonuses that I'm going to be giving away to you guys if you decide to join me in 8-minute trader. But for right now, go ahead and click the link in the description box below and register and get your spot, okay? Before we go live. The cool thing about 8-minute trader, they're going to be coming out with a indicator, a scalper indicator that's going to allow you to trade whenever you want. All right. And the scalper, what's so cool about the scalper trader is that it basically tells you what lot size you should be using based on your size of your account. And it also has a close all trades button, just in case you guys get in multiple trades. It makes it easier for you to close all of your trades all at one time instead of you having to go to each trade and close them one by one. Okay. What else? It tells you how much percentage you're up or down. That's pretty cool. So you'll see what I'm talking about once we actually show the indicator, because they're actually using the indicator. That's how an amateur trader thinks. We'll see. But guys, I'm excited. I'm going to give you guys, when you join my team, I'm going to give you guys an automated trading bot. All right, that's going to literally trade for you automatically, hands-free, getting you in and closing you out of trades hands-free. All right, nobody in 8-minute trader is going to give you a bonus like this, like I'm going to give you. So guys, take advantage and join my team. Don't join anybody else, because if you do join somebody else, you're not going to get my automated trader bot. Okay, you have to join my team here in 8-minute trader to get access to the automated trader bot. Okay, and I'm gonna make another video showing the results of this automated trading bot. It's gonna blow your mind. It's very safe. It's very conservative, and I know you're gonna enjoy it. Okay, and then like I said, I'm gonna allow you guys to be able to copy my exact trades. Okay, copy my exact trades. So at a few percent. For you guys that's at work, you can't attend these live sessions, these 9:30 a.m. Eastern live sessions, then don't worry. I'm going to allow you to use a software to literally copy my exact trades that I take from these live sessions to your account, hands-free. Okay? How cool is that? Nobody That's promoting 8-minute traders. Is going to give you an automated trading bot. They're not going to allow you to copy their trades that they get from these live sessions. So you might as well join my team. Okay, you might as well join my team. It's not a bad thing. Okay? It's just a normal thing. It's just the way it goes learning how to trade. We're gonna be. It's almost 9:30. 9:30 usually be. I think it's usually the open of US30, and we just been focusing on US30. So that's unbelievable. That's amazing. Yeah, but it's not necessary. So guys, I'm gonna cut off my video, and I'm gonna get on my phone, my actual phone, and take these trades from my phone, because I'm not logged in my account on my iPad. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video once we get on what's them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for this trade. It only took them 2 days to go back to break even. That means they lost 30%. But I'm excited. So guys, make sure you go ahead and click the link in the description box below. Go ahead and register, get your spot. I'm very excited. I know you're going to be very excited, and let's do it. Let's go. Let's make it happen. So I'll see you guys on the video. Take care.
2 to 3 steps forward, and only a half a step or 1 step back. And the way you do that is, again, you want your winners to be maximized, and you want to cut your losses short. So the focus of today is that if you go in a drawdown, you really need to know how much drawdown is what percentage of your account, and only you can see that. We can't see your balance. We don't know what you're trading. You're in full control, right? So if you have $1,000 and you're like, okay, my max drawdown is 3%, well, that's $30, right? And so you should know that if you're in drawdown at $30, if it goes to 31, you should be out of that trade, because if it goes further than that and you've been closing for a 3% gain, then you're just going to go backwards on your account. If you don't know this, then it's critical to start with a demo account. Okay, we show math on how losing once or twice a week can still grow and compound your account if you're following the proper risk management strategy. The last thing here that I need to hit on before we're going to pass the call to Coach Mo, we still have a couple minutes before the open, is this right here. We're using a risk management ourselves of about a 0.01 for every $1,000 in the account. Remember, folks, that's total. That's total. That means if you have a $2,000 account, then that means it allows for 2 trades at 0.01, because the total trade amount is 0.02. So it allows for 2 positions at 0.01, right? So it doesn't mean, if you have $1,000 in your account and you're using the same risk management, I mean, you can't get into 2, 3, 4 trades. Sure, if it goes for you, wow, you can make 20% in a day. But we don't care about that, because that's not necessary to compound. If it goes against you, it could be devastating, right? So remember, the 0.01 per 1,000, that's the total risk size. That's why Coach Mo uses 0.01 times 5 on a $5,000 account. With that being said, I'm going to pass the call to Coach Mo. He could share his screen. Best of luck to everyone. We'll see what the market gives us today, and then we'll talk after the call. Thank you so much.
All right, welcome to the call, everyone. Today could be a winning day, could be a losing day. The market has already moved somewhat into the sell zone area. The market's been moving and trending down. If you notice, over the last day or so, the market has been consolidating for the most part and going sideways for the whole of yesterday. So I'm going to just be very patient on this particular session here and just see what the market wants to do. I mean, it could give us a good move. It might not. And again, this is not gambling. This is not guessing. And there's zero certainty when trading. There's no such thing as a guarantee or certainty. It's all about probabilities. So if you have a good technical analysis and you have a good system, then your probabilities are higher, and that's what gives you an edge when trading in the market. So that's where we're at. So if you look right now, we're about 10 seconds before the market opens. The market could shoot up here. It could shoot down. We'll see what the market wants to do. And based on what the market's doing, we'll see how we move forward. So the market just opened. Just going to be patient. Again, we might get into a trade. We might not. Let's see what the market does here. The market is basically staying in the sell zone at this point. It's in the bearish zone. Looking for some confirmation here. I want to see some strong follow through before I get into a trade. I'm not in any trades right now. The market's been struggling for the last day to choose a direction, so we'll see if it chooses a direction this morning. All right, we got 12 seconds left of this candle. Okay, I'm getting into a trade. I'm just being conservative. I'm in a sell trade. Let's see if this, if we can get a win here. I'm gonna just be patient. I'm just gonna be patient, see if the market can. Okay, we're in a cost average. Just did a cost average sell again, and we'll see if the market can give us a win here. We'll just be patient and see what happens. We're in about a 1.5% drawdown, 1.3% drawdown. The market's moving pretty slow. It's not really. Let's see if the bears can come in here and push it back down. We're just being patient. We're still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. I'm at about a 2% drawdown at this point. I'm just being patient, seeing what the market does here. Market's still in the bear zone area. Just trying to, let's see what happens here. If the bears can come in and continue this downward momentum it started with before the open. It's struggling. This is a very weak open today. And sometimes that happens. I mean, every day is a new day. We learn from every single open opportunity. Okay, we're in about a 1.5% drawdown still. We need some follow through, bears. Come on. Let's see you guys come through for us. All right, so at this point, the bears are coming in. All right, we're at a break even. Let's see if the bears can really get it back down to where it was before. All right, we're at about a 0.5% profit. It's creating what's called a range, which means that the bears and the bulls are fighting right now. So let's see if the bears can come through and give us a win here. It's in bearish territory, so it should be pretty good trade, but we'll see. If it doesn't give me a solid win, I'll just probably take a break even. Let's see here. Let's see if we can. All right, I'm about a 0.5%. Let's see if the bears can push it through. Come on, guys. There you go. We're at about a 1.5%. I'm gonna take some of this off the table. I closed a few of my trades. I'm still in one trade. So I'm still in one trade, but I closed the other trades, and I'm still in one trade. Now it's going down. This is good. I'm going to stay in this trade for a little while, see if we can squeeze some more out of this. So I got out for a slight profit there, about 1.5 or 1 point something percent, 1%. And we're still at a 0.5% on this one trade. So depending on how this candle reacts, I may just close it. We'll see. Let's see if we could squeeze out a little bit more profit. this morning. I'm still in a sell trade. I'm just waiting to see if we could squeeze out some more profit. If not, then I'll just close it for a win. I'm being patient on my last trade here. All right, so we're at about almost 1% on this one trade, but it's struggling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it at 1% for this trade here. All right, so we're up about 1.5%. I would guess maybe almost 2% on that trade this morning. Market was extremely slow, struggling today. So we made a profit today. So that was cool.
We won. Today was a winning day today, so congratulations
sometimes when you're in the middle
to everybody
of
that's out there that was on this live session. But today was a winning day today, so
so today
we took a winning. All right, so with that being said, click the link in the description box below. Go ahead and register so you can be able to get on these live sessions, and not only that, be in position to get the indicator, the new indicator that's going to be coming out very, very soon.
So
with that being said, I'm andrecatnott here from West Palm Beach, Florida. I will see you guys.
Would have liked to have made
video.
a little bit more, but you can only